Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid and today I will discuss the use of ma, the auxiliary which is used in a Chinese sentence to make it interrogative. Today we will learn that how it make a Chinese sentence interrogative. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद और आज हम माँ जो कि लफ्ज़ है जिसके बारे में मैं बताता रहता हूँ कि ये एक चाइनीज़ जुमले को सवालिया बनाता है। तो आज हम ये सीखेंगे कि कैसे ये चीनी जुमले को सवालिया बनाता है. So I'll just take a sentence as an example, and the sentence would be zhe zhe shi zhe shi zhe shi你这是你的，这是你的。车，这是你的车。Okay, this is your car. This is your car. ये तुम्हारी गाड़ी है. Okay, so this is the sentence. Now we are going to use the ma auxiliary at the end of the Chinese sentence, and we are going to see that how it make a Chinese sentence interrogative. So we can write that这是你的，你的，你的车吗？Is this your car? Is this your car? क्या ये तुम्हारी गाड़ी है? Okay, and you saw that how this sentence was changed into an interrogative sentence by the use of ma. You can also write this sentence in another way, which we could say that a more native way. So the more native way would be zhe车，这车是你的吗？这是你的吗？这是你的吗？ Is this your car? Is this your car? क्या ये तुम्हारी गाड़ी है? So this is another way of saying is this your car. So you saw that how the ma auxiliary changed the sentence into an interrogative sentence. This was all for today. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. See you. 再见.